Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Jamaican rice and peas. So over here guys, I've got my pot on. I've got like 3 cloves of garlic, and I've got my kidney beans already pre-soaked from overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some ginger and some fresh thyme. I'm going to allow that to cook guys, but I'm gonna give it a bit more flavor. Meantime it's cooking, so that's why I add the thyme and ginger. I love ginger in rice and peas. Oh, it gives it a nice flavor. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to cook, and then yeah, I'll try to explain as I go along in the video. So yeah, you will see the rest of the ingredients that I'm gonna add in there. So yes, I'm gonna pop the lid on and I'm gonna allow this to cook, but I'm gonna keep checking on it to see. Okay guys, so yeah, I see you then. Guys, welcome back. Now that I'm gonna check my kidney beans guys, it needs more water, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some water to it, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for another 10 minutes. But guys, please continuously check in the kidney beans to make sure your peas cook. If it needs more water and all of that, to add it, so you could add the water in as little as you go along. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna allow this to cook for a bit, and then I'm gonna keep checking on it. Hi guys, welcome back. So now that my kidney beans is almost cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season the pot. So guys, I've got some spring onion, green onion, whatever you call it, thyme. I'm gonna put a bit more thyme in there, and I'm gonna add 2 scotch bonnet pepper inside there, and I'm gonna also go ahead and I'm gonna add my coconut milk. This is natural coconut milk guys in there. And guys, I'm gonna turn this stove up a bit, and I'm gonna allow my coconut milk to boil, because if the coconut milk don't cook properly, the rice and peas will go spoil the next day. So you have to make sure. So I'm gonna give it a stir, and yeah guys, I chop my spring onions up. Yes, that's how I do it. I chop it up to cook it, right, to release the flavor more inside there. So I'm gonna allow this guys to cook for the next 15 minutes, and then yes, then you will see in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I'm gonna add a bit of salt to the pot guys, not a lot. Yeah, just give it a stir and pop the lid back on and leave it to cook. So guys, yeah, you'll see the next step. Hi guys, welcome back. So now that guys, I've got the right amount of liquid or water in the pot, I'm gonna stir it, combine, make sure everything is combined before I add my rice in. I'm gonna put the rice in now. So guys, make sure you know the amount of water for the amount of rice where you go cook. It's best you add than best to subtract. What would you say that's now? Guys, you know me I talk about, yeah? It best to have the small amount of water you can add to it than you have a lot of water, and then now the rice don't cook the way you want it, because too much liquid is gonna make the rice a bit soft. You want a shelly rice and peas. So yeah, it's best to have less than more. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my rice in. So as I said, make sure you know the amount guys. Yep. So you can add more water to it. You need more, and all of that. I'm gonna mix everything together, and I'm gonna pop the lid, put it on low heat guys, and let it steam. Put it on low heat. I don't need no more water in it. I'm gonna allow the rice to steam. So guys, so make sure you know how much liquid you want, how much rice you're gonna cook. Yeah, I'm cooking like about 2.5 cups of rice. So you know, yeah, and I add like that's about 2 cups of water. So if it needs more, then I add it. But if not, I'm just gonna allow it to steam. So I'm gonna pop the lid on and let it steam, and then you'll see, guys. Alright. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that my rice is all steamed, guys, this is how it looks. You can see nice shelly rice and peas. And yes guys, please remember to taste as you go along. I'm bad at tasting when I'm cooking, I won't lie. I can't taste pot like that, guys. So guys, I'm just gonna fluff it out a bit on the side so you can see. Yeah, look at that, guys. Wow, nice shelly rice and peas. Yeah, this is how you want your rice and peas to look. I'm gonna give it a little taste, guys. Natural coconut milk, oh my gosh, you can't go wrong with that when cooking rice and peas, when cooking whatsoever. Man, wow, tastes so good, so delicious. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please turn your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. Thank you a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you to each and everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on all social media platforms. Natural Jamaican _vegan on Instagram, Natural Jamaican Vegan and Facebook. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Thank you. Please go and support the thing, alright? Alright, so no go and big up on yourself. Until next time, guys. Bye.